think they're amending those to disorderly conduct. This must be my day. I got two distinguished lawyers in Detroit. Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good
I
to see you.
think this might be with Ms. Robinson, Mr. Edison, and Mr. Johnson. This might be the most high-powered lineup I've had since I've been sitting on the bench.
Well, of course, we're in the appropriate forum with one of the distinguished jurors to 36. So
Right,
we're blessed to be in great company.
that's right. Hey, Mr. Edison.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Good, good. Hey, Ro.
Who's your client, Mr. Johnson?
Judge, I was trying to get I don't know if I have the right number to the courtroom, but I've been trying to move a date for an arraignment on some tickets. It's up on Thursday.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what.
Is Ms. Mathis there?
We got the best lawyers. We got the best clerk here, so you must not have the right number because she's on this phone and on that computer and
Yeah.
doing all of it. So who's your client's name?
Denasia Neal.
Is that Neil, N-E-I-L or N-E-A?
Neal.
All right, and spell the first name for me.
Danasia.
All right, we'll check into that. All right, Mr. Williams, Law, are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Damon Golden, case number U61021121. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeffrey Edison on behalf of Damon Goldman, who is present via Zoom by consent. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you again, Mr. Golden. Off the record, we discussed having giving your counsel an opportunity so he can do some advocacy on your behalf. The counsel requested at least a 30-day adjournment in order to write a deviation request. I have March 31st, 2022. Will that work with you, counselor?
At what time, Your Honor?
8:30. We will be.
Yeah, I have a couple of other Zoom matters at that time. I could get there maybe later in the in the morning, maybe 10:30 or so, Your Honor.
Well, you want another date, or you want to just see if that works out for you?
We can leave it on. We can leave it on the 31st, Your Honor. If the court will allow me to come in by 10:30 or 11.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second, Mrs. Basil. All right. Well, no, we'll be here. Our mantra here is we bring the courts to the community. We do not lock the room. We let everybody come in. We're trying to pull the files and get people on the road legally. So this is what we do. So we'll be here. You know how to keep in contact with us, and we'll set it for 8:30. And if there's it shouldn't be a problem at all. So do you understand what's going on here, Mr. Golden?
So to my knowledge and understanding that we're going to have another date on at 8:30. I believe it was the 29th.
No, the
31st.
31st. At 8:30 a.m. That's the time we'll set.
Okay, and then that's what we're going to do like another trial.
No, it's not trial yet. We haven't gotten to that point yet, but he's gonna let your lawyer do what he does, and he can contact you and get in touch with you and let you know everything.
Okay.
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 All right. If there's nothing further, gentlemen, have a very good day. Good to see you, Mr. Edison.
All
Can I
right,
get-
thank you, Judge. Good to see you, and everyone
Hold on a
else have
second.
a continued good day.
Did you say something, Ms. Williams Law?
I did, Your Honor. If I could please get Mr. Edison's P number, that'd be great.
You ready? 25912.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. Sarah Bassel, have a good day.
All right, have a great one.
Good to see you.
Mr.
thank-
Golden, you could check out and I'll call you.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we have here.
Mr. Perkins, when you called my name, my Wi-Fi had cut out, so I did not hear what you said.
All right, we got you. I kind of heard it cutting out. Okay, we have Mr. Johnson. I got your client here, who is has a pretrial on the 3rd, arraignment at 1:30. You want to just do the arraignment now and get yourself a pretrial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I think we can waive your client's appearance. So let's see, this is,
You have four tickets?
for,
That sounds good. Yeah, Vassal Johnson for the record, P 721.
we got to call the case.
Oh, sorry.
You've got so many other cases you need to get out of here, get to the other courtrooms. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Denisha Neal. Case numbers SP 122-3272, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 122-3273 and 1. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson, P 72130 on behalf of Ms. Neal. Your Honor, I asked to wait for appearance for today.
All right, I'll waive her appearance. I will set a pretrial. I'm set until April 29th, 2022 at 8:30. We'll waive willing or not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give her a $0 personal bond, and we'll set the pretrial April 29th, 2022 at 8:30. Is that a good date for you, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, it is. Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, it's always good to see you, Vassal, and sorry, Mr. Johnson. And I'll see you back on April 29th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. And what is the courtroom number, the last four?
313-965-2402.
Oh, yeah, I had the wrong one. 965-2402. Okay,
I knew that to be the wrong number because
yes, sir.
Ms. Nash is on it. All
Thank
right,
you. Have a good one.
have a
Good to
great
see
one.
you.
I'll see you.
Thank you very much.
All right, Miss Landon, did I get the correct pronunciation of your name? Miss Landon? I think you're muted now.
Okay, yes.
All right, did I get the correct pronunciation of your name?
Yes, Louisa Lant.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Louisa Claire Landon, case number ST 122-13801. Appearance for the record, please. You're muted, I think, Ms. Robinson.
Sarah, Ms. Robinson?
Ms. Robinson?
Yes, I'm sorry, Judge. That was the court coordinator calling me. I apologize. I didn't want to. I'm here, Sarah Robinson, for the record.
Okay, your client has got an interim without.
I'm
permission.
sorry, I still can't hear you. I'm gonna go to another,
Her device is messing up. anyway, is entering without permission. It is disorderly conduct. I don't have any remarks in the under the file name, so that'll be a $240 fine. And it'll be closed out under disorderly conduct. If she wants to take the deal, if not, then I can set a trial date. That'll be April 29th, 2022.
Okay,
So I'll let you speak with her to break out room.
yes, Judge.
Your Honor,
Yes,
looking for the last client, Denisha Neal. It's not on the docket. Can I get the spelling of the first name?
yes, I'm sorry. DANASIA.
Thank you.
NEAL.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Basil.
Hi, Your Honor. We're calling for last name Gappy, Gappy.
You say what now?
Last name Gappy.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room, Ms. Landon, with the lawyer.
Okay, I'm sorry, I just went to another room with better Wi-Fi connection.
Join the room, please. All right, last name is what?
Gappy, Gappy.
Okay. Musad,
Yes.
all right. But, you need an interpreter, you need a good afternoon, Mr. Gabby.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Art.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, I'm here.
No,
I'm
I think we need to, if he can't understand me
I
himself, we need a court-approved interpreter. What language is it?
I speak English, but he speaks Arabic.
What we'll do is we'll allow this time so we can just set a date, but when we come back, I'm gonna have an interpreter.
And for what?
For him.
I'm gonna be with him.
She's gonna be with
You're
me.
not gonna be, ma'am. I'm gonna set an interpreter. I want a court-approved interpreter.
All right.
That's how it's gotta work, ma'am.
Can you tell us the reason why he got this ticket?
I will.
Because this case was supposed to get dismissed. We went to court and everything with Judge Shannon Holmes. And she dismissed the case.
She-
Get us an Arabic interpreter.
Excuse,
Okay. We're back on the
are you on the
record.
record? Okay.
Well, we're back on the record with Mrs. Oh, does she need to come out that room?
No, I just had a question, Judge. Was the offer delayed?
No, it's gonna be disorderly conduct. They don't amend, they only go down as far as disorderly conduct to the EWAP tickets. I can set her a trial date of the April 29th, 2020.
Okay,
I don't see her.
I'll
I don't
talk to
see
her.
I don't see her doing any worse anyway, but,
all right, I'll be right back.
all right.
Mr. Gabby, for the interpreter?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Where is Mr. Goss?
I don't know, I texted you.
All right. We're back on the record. Is Mrs. Landon, what is she gonna do? Do I need to bring her out the room?
Bench trial, Judge. Bench trial.
All right, we're back on the record with Mrs. Louisa Landon, Miss Louisa Landon. I've given you an opportunity to speak with the defense counsel in the breakout room. It's my understanding that you want a trial now.
Yes.
All right, I got a trial date set August 20, strike that, April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m. April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Alexis Graham. All right, I'm gonna wait on the city attorney, and I'm gonna wait on an interpreter for you, Mr. Gabby. Gabby, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's mine or yours, but you're going in and out.
All right, Alexis Graham.
Yes.
Graham is extremely low.
Say what now, Ms. Williams Law?
I'm hearing Ms. Graham respond, but it's very, very faint. I'm not sure if you hear it at all.
All right, we have a situation here where Mr. Gaffey has a ticket. It appears that there was some sort of rewrite on this ticket. It's got on the original register of action, it's got dismissed by party on motion from the city attorney, and then this ticket comes back. It's got the cross-reference number. The actual tickets there. They got,
It's a reissue.
so how is it a reissue when you dismissed it by party? By the city attorney?
I don't know.
What new has transpired?
I don't know what transpired on this.
So there's a register of action.
We have to pull the transcript on. I don't know what. I don't know. This is before my time, so I don't know what.
I know, but what I'm saying is it has dismissed by city attorney on there. City attorney dismisses their own ticket.
We don't dismiss, we dismiss without prejudice. Obviously, maybe the officer would show up at the time.
Well, we dismiss no officer.
I don't know.
Well, I'm just reading what it says. It says by motion of the city attorney.
Right, but I don't know what the motion was. It doesn't say what the motion was.
All right, these are state charges. Ms. Graham, did Graham get their device together? We've been having trouble getting the state prosecutor in here, Counselor. I can set a trial date or a pre-trial date for that ticket. Or we can try and see if we can get an offer to get a free trial date. I guess your client first has to get their device together.
Do he have his business license?
I don't know. I haven't even asked him anything. We're waiting on an interpreter. You want to see?
See what?
If he's got his business license.
No interpreter, you just need to set it for a pretrial.
Yes, Your Honor. She's working on.
You want me to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Gaffey and his counselor? I mean, are you the daughter, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want me to put you in a breakout room to speak with the lawyer? Have you been listening, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, Judge.
So I'm waiting on an interpreter for Mr. Gaffey. He's got the ticket that we're here for now. And his daughter indicated that the ticket was dismissed. So I do see a cross-reference number. This ticket was dismissed on 5/21/2021 by a motion by the city attorney. It was reissued at some point.
Okay.
I'm looking at 10/21/2021, so exactly 5 months later. Same ticket. Well, let's say this. Let's say this. It's not the same ticket. All right, so we have a problem. The ticket originally was issued under code 5.7.21. And without having my other muni code here, book here, I don't know. And here's again, but the register of action has got a different code on there. This is one dismissal, and it's got another different code on there. I have an original ticket here, and it just does not seem to match up at all. Nothing.
We got the original ticket that we go up.
Yeah, we'll go by that, but we're. All right, so it's a lot of, from just looking at it from the face of it, so there's a lot of different things going on in here. So on the original ticket, the code is 5.7.21, if you want to look that up. And it's, this is the reissue ticket. Wait a minute, this is all messed up. So apparently this was issued before. Okay, that's the reissue number. Yeah, this is oh. You want to speak with them in the breakout room, or you want to get some more information, Ms. Robinson?
Is the translator here, Judge?
Not yet. His daughter is here. I can allow you to speak with them. And
Okay, so
at least until we get on the record.
so is the ticket is not written properly? So could it be dismissed?
I don't do that. I'm just giving you the information. I'll give you the original copy of the ticket. I can get you that. If you ask me, it's got to be something wrong with the ticket. It's got all these different. It's got one code number on the original ticket, and that's what we're going to go by. It's got, each time they seem to enter this into the system, they come up with another code number that doesn't match anything that's saying. One of them is saying that it's a failure to display Group D entertainer's card. And I don't know if Mr. Gappy was
a dancer?
Yeah, I don't know whether he was there. He thought he doubled us from the owner to the dancer or what. I don't know. And then the other ticket says no City of Detroit business license required at each location. Those are the ROAs. That's why I don't proceed on ROAs, Counselor. So we're going off the original ticket, and the original ticket has the club, well, at least the address, operate in the City of Detroit without a business license, no business license in possession. That's what it says on the comments. So I don't know what 5-7-21 says. We're going to send you a copy of that, and we'll figure it out from this. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. In the meantime, did Graham ever get their device together? Graham?
I can hear you.
Very well. This is the city of, just strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Alexis Graham, case numbers SX 393-4724, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, counsel.
Sarah Robinson for Ms. Graham.
All right, Ms. Graham has these are all written under the state code. We don't have a state prosecutor, and it's been hard getting one. I can try to get one to get Ms. Graham an offer, or I can set this up for a trial and see if they show up then.
I would ask for a trial to see if they show up.
This is Adam Eastlake at the Michigan State Police Metro South. So but sometimes you get them to show up and the state prosecutor doesn't show up. Other times, nobody shows up. I don't know what's going on. So I can let you speak with Mrs. Graham in a breakout room and you can discuss it with her. If she wants to try to wait and get her an offer right now, we can. But you can talk to her and let me know what she wants to do, all right?
All right.
Miss Graham, I need to see your face, ma'am.
I'm really not. Hold on 1 second. I'm trying to figure out how to turn my camera on.
Your camera seems to be on. But on the
It won't let me show my. I had to join it from the internet.
I don't understand that. All right. How can you join that room?
Yes.
See if you can help her with that camera, because she needs to be seen. Join the room, please.
I only have. All I have is a short stop. All I have is short stop. Okay.
Can she get out the room? Are you,
I could go back and get her. Every judge does it differently. I'm sorry, Judge. Some judges don't like me to bring people out.
well, no, if you're done talking,
Bring
bring
her
them
out. I'll go get her. I'll go
I
get her.
I brought her out. I brought her out. All right, Ms. Graham, I'm having trouble with this camera here, ma'am. We're back on the record with Mrs. Alexa Graham. And I need to see your face, ma'am.
Okay, I'm working on it now. I'm trying to do it from my phone.
We tried to work on it, Judge, and it wasn't successful. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't, you know, something, I just don't really believe that she can't get that camera working. So we're gonna pass this matter until she figures it out.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Let's go on the record. Good afternoon, Mr. Hermes.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Very well. You're here for Mr. Gappy, right?
That is correct, Your Honor, on a last minute short notice request.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Let's swear you in. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And state your name for the record, please.
Sure. Yosef Hermes, Yousif qualified court interpreter in the Arabic or Chaldean language. I don't know what the defendant wants, which language he prefers.
I believe it's Arabic. Okay.
Oh,
All
okay.
right. Let's we'll do that. Now let's go back on the record with Miss Alexa Graham.
Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Graham, good afternoon. I gave you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. What would your client like to do, Ms. Robinson?
She would like to set a trial date, Judge.
All right, we'll figure it out on April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, can you see me now?
Yeah, is that what you want to do? The trial, April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m., okay?
That's fine, thank you.
All right, we'll see you back on that morning. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Musad Gappy, case number U599-78121.
هاي رقم القضية مدينة ديترويت ضد السيد جابي مسعود. رقم القضية يو 599978121.
Can you state for the record, Mr. Gappy?
سيد جابي ممكن تقول اسمك للمحكمة؟
مسعود MASOUD GAPPY.
مسعود جابي.
Can you put your appearance on the record, counselor?
Yes, good afternoon. Sarah Robinson for Mr. Gappy.
أنا السيدة سارة رابنسون هي المحامية المعينة من المحكمة للدافع عنك.
ما يخالف.
Yes.
Put your appearance on the record, counselor.
Sarah Robinson for Mr. Gappy.
No, I'm sorry, I was Mr. Goss, but go ahead. All right. Off the record, we had some discussion, this ticket, put your appearance on the record, counselor.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the city of Detroit.
أنا السيد غوس هو يمثل مدينة ديترويت.
All right, off the record, we've had some discussion about this ticket. It appears that this ticket was issued on 9/17/2020.
صار عندنا كلام بهذا الموضوع بهذا التيكت، وهذا التيكت قديم صار له من يوم 17/9/2020.
The ticket was subsequently dismissed by the city attorney on a motion by the city attorney on 5/21/2021.
كان مقدم المحامي مال مدينة ديترويت، كان مقدم طلب انه يسقطون هاي القضية في يوم 21/5 سنة 2021.
صعب سووا الكيس dismissed.
Yes, they dismissed the case on that date, Your Honor.
And apparently, this ticket is a reissue of.
بين هذا التيكت صدروه مرتين لا.
ليش دسوه مرة لا؟
Why did they reissue it again? What is the reason?
Your guess is as good as mine, Mr. Gaffey.
يقول انت علمك علمي، ما اعرف ليش، هو ما مسؤول ليش صدروا التيكت مرة اخرى.
اني جت كتبت لي التيكت على التيكت اني دانسر، هذا ستور مو بار. كنت
She said
بالستور.
on the ticket, she came in and she wrote on the ticket, I'm a dancer. No, this is not a dance club. This is a store.
A liquor store.
Liquor store.
Liquor store.
On the original ticket, it was written that you operating in the city of Detroit without a business license. That's what the original ticket had.
التيكت الاولاني الاصلي كان معطي لك اياه لان انت تسوي شغل عمل في مدينه ديترويت من دون اجازه من قبل المدينه.
احنا مقدمين صارت الكوبي.
دقيقه، الحاكم يقول لك اوقف هسه.
Somehow, when the ticket got down to the court, one of the persons that entered the ticket into the system wrote on the one ticket that it was a failure to display an entertainer, a group D entertainer's card.
يقول موجود على التيكت الشخص اللي انطالك المخالفه انه هذا المكان كان مكان مال تسليه والله يعني ما اعرف يعني مو سبا مو ليكر ستور حسب ما يقول التيكت المخالفه.
liquor is a liquor store.
It is a liquor store. Your Honor, he's saying it's a liquor store.
I understand. I'm just giving him the information.
هو بس ينطي لك المعلومات، انتظر وبعدين ما يسألك أسئلة. هسه هو يريد ينطي لك القاضي المعلومات عن المخالفة.
أفتهم عليك.
Yes, I understand.
On the tickets that was written, we have a code number of 5-7-21.
بالتيكت اللي كان موجود 7/5/21.
On the ROA that was written up that has dismissed by party, there's an ordinance number 5-12-51A.
اكو رقم واحد من التيكتات كان ملغي بذاك الوقت ب 2021.
And on the reissue ticket, that says no city of Detroit business license. That's 30-1-5.
يقول الرقم اللي انصدروا لك مرتين قالوا هذا ما عندك اجازه، كان رقمه 3015.
من اعطوني التيكت جوي كنت مقدم على اللايسن.
انت تشتغل هنا.
انا كنت واقف هنا نسيبي مقدم على اللايسن، ما صارت الكوبيد، ما اجى اللايسن.
اوكي القاضي يريد يقول لك شيء. اوكي القاضي ده يقول لك ده يريد يوقفك. Your Honor, he was saying that at the time that he got the ticket, his son-in-law was applying for the license, but COVID came in, Corona came in, and they did not go through with it.
We still haven't received the business license.
Listen. Tell him he talks too much.
ده يقول القاضي ده تحكي هوايه، هو ده يريد اولا يعطي لك المعلومات وبعدين اذا سالك سؤال تجاوب. عزيزي هاي المحكمه هالشكل، انا مو محامي بس بدي اترجم لك.
ما يخالف.
You're just admitting on the record that you didn't have a license.
انت
Your
هسه
Honor,
قدام المحكمه بدها تقول انه من انطولك التيكت ما كان عندك اجازه.
Your Honor, can we set this as a pretrial for 90 days? Give them an opportunity to try to get the license in that time frame.
No,
يقول نقدر
No,
نعطي
we're
له
not.
مهله 90 يوم على مود يقدم على اجازه، القاضي ما وافق على هذا الشيء.
الثاني من وقت
I'm gonna give, Ms. Robinson, I don't know if you've looked up those code numbers. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with your client in a breakout room. And we're gonna set it for a trial date at the next trial date that we have here. This ticket was already dismissed by the city attorney's office. For some reason, it was dismissed, and I'm going by the ROA, and in my opinion, just looking at it on its face, it needs to have some more information, more than what was originally issued, to be able to rewrite this ticket now. So I don't know whether the ticket's defective on its face or not, and that's why I don't know.
يقول ناخذ وقت على مود نشوف. ما نعرف شلون اولا لغوا المخالفه الاولى وليش كتبوا المخالفه الثانيه، يقول ماكو بيها وضوح، فنريد ناخذ وقت نسوي جلسه اللغة على مود نشوف شنو الموضوع شنو القضيه، تنطي لك مجال تحكي ويا المحاميه مالتك.
اوكي ما يخالف.
And I'll say this, counselor, I'll say this, if that's what they want to do, if they agree to make it a 90-day, and after they speak with Ms. Robinson in a breakout room, I have no problem with that. I'll say that, but I'm just already I have a problem with this case already.
يقول عندي مشكله بهاي القضيه، هذا التيكت الثاني، بس اذا ما عنده مانع هو ياجلها الى 90 يوم على مود يصير المحاميه مالتك يصير عندها مجال تتفاهم وياك ويشوفون شلون يتوصلون الى حل.
ما يخالف.
That's okay with me.
Okay.
Speak with the attorney in the breakout room. I'm going to assign you guys to the breakout room.
راح تحطك ويا المحاميه مالتك وانا اكون هم وياك على مود تريد تحكي وياك بالموضوع.
ما يخالف.
Mr. Goss.
Yes, Your Honor.
This ticket is like, first of all.
Let me come to the courtroom, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Gappy. The city attorney is gonna review something. He took a look at the ticket, and we're gonna wait on him to zoom in. So just give us a minute.
اوكي يقول انطينا لحظه. السيد المدعي العام دا يباوع بالمخالفه بالتكت، دا يباوع بيه ويشوف شنو بيه غلط او ما بيه غلط. قاعد انطونا فد كم دقيقه ومن يرجع نصرف بالقضيه، نبدا بالقضيه مره اخرى.
ما يخالف.
اوكي.
You want to play these? Not that you want back. Up to you.
الدستور مع العميد راح تروح قالت
I don't know what's taking off. Is Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what are we waiting on?
I'm waiting to figure out, are they gonna take the 90 days to get the business license, or are we gonna set it for trial? Which,
Well, you said you were gonna look at the Muni code. That's what you told me.
right. And I don't know what's in the store, because it might be some type of coin operated. I don't know what's in the stores, so I can't just dismiss the ticket because I don't know why the officer wrote it, because he's the one who was in the store at the time under that statute. So, we can set it for trial there.
يقول ما أعرف أني كان التكت ليش كتبها هو المفتش، فما يعرف هو شنو أكو بالمحل، فتريد تسوي محاكمة بعد يعني خلال 90 يوم أو إذا هو مدى يعرف شو يسوي.
يريدون نشوف لهم شنو اكو بالستور مالنا؟
They want us to see what's inside our store.
Ma'am, this is not.
There's liquor. I'll be.
Ma'am, this is not your case, ma'am.
يقول أنت هذا مو القضية مالتش رجاء يعني ما ليش حق يقول دحش.
اوكي هو ستور هو
Judge,
ستور.
Yeah, I would
It is a
move
liquor
for
store.
dismissal. I don't mean to interrupt everyone. I would move for dismissal. This ticket is defective on its face. Additionally, there's a due process violation. This officer waited almost a year later. I mean, how is the defendant supposed to defend himself in all of that time? And it's defective on its face. If there were certain details that the officer wanted to bring to corporation counsel's attention, there's room in there to write the notes. So it's defective on its face. I would move for dismissal.
Your Honor, I object because it was a reissue.
Hold on,
It was
let him interpret, hold on.
Yeah. Thank you. المحامية بدها تطلب من المحكمة أنه يلغوا التيكت لأنه هو يعني رديء التيكت وما بي تفاصيل، ولو كان المفتش عنده أشياء مهمة كان المفروض يكتبها بالتيكت، أكو مجال هناك كان يكتبها. بدها تطلب من المحكمة مرة أخرى أنه يلغوا التيكت ويسقطوه لأنه ما يستحق هذا التيكت أنه يعطى مرة أخرى وانتظر مسافة مدة طويلة أكثر من سنة على مود يجي يواجه هذا التيكت.
صح هو صح هي المحامية.
عزيزي هي القاضي محامية بدها تحكي بالنيابة عنك، بدها تطلب من المحكمة خلينا نشوف القاضي ايش راح يقول.
Your Honor, I object. The ticket was reissued within a month. It took the court 4 months to send out the notification, and that's just the process of what's going on with court processing tickets, and Officer Q.
المدعي العام ما يريد.
No, go ahead.
المدعي العام ما يريد يسقط التيكت، يقول هو نطوه تقريبا ورا الشهر مما الغوا ذاك التيكت الله، وهي تاخذ وقت 4 أشهر على مود يدزون الاوراق والقضايا تطول، فهو ما يريد يتنازل وما يريد يسقط القضيه المدعي العام.
And Your Honor, the ticket states that there's no business license, and that's what the statute says, and that's what a trial is for, to show for the people to show that there's the reason why the ticket was issued. So the ticket's not.
يقول السبب انه اصدر التيكت هو مو مغلوط مو تالف، ولكن هو لانه ما كان عنده اجازه، فإن من حق المفتش والمدينه ان تصدر تيكت بهاي المخالفه لان ما كان عنده اجازه، ما موجود باجازه. من ايش قدر نطلب محاكمه اذا صار قدر يحصل يعني الاجازه قبل ذاك الوقت على مود نقدر نعرف شلون نتصرف.
And Judge, I would say that it's just too vague. You know, how is the defendant supposed to defend himself? We have a prior case with a dance card, and now it's just this generic business license operating what type of business? Judge, I'd ask that the matter be dismissed for that reason and the other reasons put on the record.
All right, I've heard enough.
اسمع داني كافي. اتصور هي القضيه والتيكت غامض، وشون يقدر يدافع هو عن نفسه، وهو كان اكو تيكت كان مغلوط وعلى اساس بيرقص وهذا، فأنا يطلب مرة الأخ من القاضي انه يسقط التيكت ويلغيه رجاء.
All right, I'm gonna grant counselor's motion to dismiss. I have a ticket here that reads that operating in the city of Detroit without a business license and no business license in possession. I have a municipal code 5-7-2021, and this municipal code talks about it shall be unlawful for any person to engage in the business of distribution of a coin-operated mechanical music device or a coin-operated motion picture device within the city without securing a license from the Building Safety, Engineering, and Environmental Center to distribute such a device. I am going to agree with Counselor that it is vague. I'm also going to, I also looked at the previous case before it was dismissed on a motion by the city attorney. I'm gonna rule that the ticket is vague on its face, and I'm gonna dismiss the case.
اوكي يقول اخبار زينه راح يسقط التيكت والقضيه تسقط وان لغى التيكت لانه كان غامض وبناء على التيكت الاول اللي هم كان قالوا برقص وعلى موسيقى. بس المفروض يعني اذا عندك اي بزنس اي شغل عمل بديترويت لازم تحصل اجازه رجاء، يعني على مود بعد ما تمشون بالقضيه. بس شنو القضيه سقطوها والتيكت انلغى. مبروك.
شكرا. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you,
Have a very
Judge.
good day.
Thank you.
You too.
You do as well. يلا الله وياكم. باي
Thank
باي.
you.
خلصت.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
شكرا.
He's so nice.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, that'll do it for today.
Okay, Your
All right,
Honor.
thank you.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Have a great